Welcome back to this training series on link building strategy for your new site. So today in this video, I'll be building contextual backlinks to my site. So this is the first site I'm going to be building links on. It's called Scoop.it. So when you get to this site, you can see this site has a DA of 92. That's a very good DA to build backlinks on. So when you get to this site, if you don't have an account with this site, all you have to do is to create an account. Click on sign up. Then you can sign up with your Facebook account or a Twitter account. If you don't have a Twitter or Facebook account, you want to use an email, you click on this. Then at this point, you add your full name, email, password, profile picture. Then you sign up. So when you sign up, a verification email will be sent to you. After verification, you can now log in to the account. So get that done. I will see you in the next page. So when you log into the account, to create backlinks on this site, all you have to do is just your website URL. All you need for backlinks is just your website URL. So you copy the website URL. So I'll be using my YouTube playlist as the website URL. I copy it and go back here. At this box, that's where you paste the URL you want to create backlinks on. Paste it, then click on this icon. So you can see it. If you paste a URL and it's not showing the title of that URL of that post you want to create backlinks, you can edit here. You can see edit this title. You can see edit it. Then at this point, that's where you add the tag. That's where you add tag you want to use. You want to use to tag your website. So after adding the tags, you can add more than 2 tags for a URL. So after getting that done, you scroll down and click on publish. So this is it. We have created a backlinks on this site. Backlinks created on this site is a no follow link, but it is still very valuable. In order to balance your link profile, you need to have a mixture of a no follow and a do follow link. So let's confirm if it's a no follow or do follow link. You can see it is a no follow link. So the next thing to do is to get it indexed. Get it indexed. So we're going to click on this icon. That is where we get the URL we're going to use to get this particular backlinks index. Then you copy this. This is the URL. Copy it, then get it indexed. Backlinks can only be effective when it is being indexed. So that is it. So the next website we're going to be building links on is called Justpaste.it. One thing about this site is you don't need to register before you can post anything on this site, before you can publish on this site. All you have to do is just come to the site, put the title of your article here, the body, and click on publish. Registration is just an option, but on this site I like to register so that I'll be able to access my article, make necessary changes to my article whenever I like. So if that is what you want, all you have to do is to click on account. Click on account so that we'll be able to register and be able to access our published article anytime we like. If you don't have an account, click on create account. Then at this point, Write your name, email, and password. Then click on sign up. When you sign up, a verification message will be sent to your email. After verification, you can now log in to this website. So I will see you in the next page. So when you log into your account, you click on this icon, add. Then you add your title and the body of your article. Then if you want to add image as the featured image of this article, you click on this icon here, drop image, or click to upload. Then also, this is also important, your article URL. Make sure your article URL contains the keyword of this article. Then you can add tags about the article. You know how we got this done, just like in previous videos. So you come to this side, add the title, the content, then after that you click on publish. After publishing the article, copy the URL and get it indexed. So the link gotten from this site is also a no-follow link. The reason is to balance your link profile. So the next site we'll be using backlinks from is called DeviantArt.com. So when you get to this site, the first thing you need to do to get backlinks from this site is to join. Click on join. At this point, you can use your email to join this site, or using any of these accounts here to register on this site. So let me get that done. So when you get to this page, you will be asked, what do you want to do on DeviantArt? So I'll be honest and I'll choose promote myself. Then click on continue. Then pick at least 3 topics you like. Just select 3 topics you like. And after that, click on continue. Next thing to do is confirm your email. Then let me confirm the email. So after confirmation of the mail, this is what we got. So to get backlinks from this site, go to your profile and click on account settings. When you get to this page, the next thing to do is to click on this URL. When you get to this page, you click on edit. So on this particular session, to get backlinks from this side, do not add your backlinks from here. Do it from your bio. We're going to get a contextual backlinks from this site. So type about us or about the post. Type a few description about the post you want to send backlinks to, or about your website. Then if you highlight it, then click this link, then paste the URL you want to build backlinks. Make sure the write-up is at least 50 words. Make sure it's up to 50 words. Then after that, you click on save. Then for social media, you can add your social media account here, but any social media you added here is going to be the no follow backlinks, but the one you're getting from this particular place is a do follow backlinks. So these are the links you should build for your site on the 8th week of starting your site. If this is your first time of watching my video, please like and subscribe to get more videos on blogging tips and SEO. I will see you in the next video.